This is a new 2023 Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. We're going to unbox it, take a look inside. I'm gonna talk about its quirks and features. This is the box. Paper handle, seal, tape seal, specs on this side. Intel i7 13th Gen. It just came out in 2023, 32 gig of RAM, which is great. It's not 16. 16 is kind of more basic now for gaming laptops. 32 gig is definitely better. 1 terabyte SSD, RTX 4060. 4060 is great. It's probably about as fast as 3070 Ti, something like that, if we compare it to the previous generation. 16-inch, Windows 11 Home. It is very important to mention that it's a great screen. It's a Legion 5 Pro, and Pros have great screens. It's WQXGA, which means it's 2560 by 1600. It's a little bit more square kind of screen. 240 Hertz, which is awesome. IPS. We've just opened the box. Great protection. This is much better than what Dell or HP has. Very good. Charger here. This part you can switch if you go to other country. This is US. Very thick cord. Quality. Power adapter. 300 watt. 300. And it's huge. Look at it. Huge. Very big and very powerful. Some manual papers. Laptop here. Here we have some keyboard shortcuts. FNR to switch the refresh rate, and FN plus space to turn on, turn off backlit keyboard. This is same for all Lenovos. This is very heavy. It's really heavy. 2.5 kilogram, which is 5 pounds 10 ounce, 11 ounce, close to 6 pounds heavy. Feels heavier than that. It leaves fingerprints. Quality is awesome, very nice on touch. Engraved Lenovo here. Same with Legion. Very nice. Let's take a look at all the ports first. USB-A. Shutter for camera. Oh, that's on the side, that's weird. Headphone input. This is the back. The back has most of the ports. We have HDMI, we have USB-C, 2 more USB-A. This is for charging. Ethernet. Another USB-A and another USB-C. So we have 2 USB-Cs total and 4 USB-A. That's a lot. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1, Full HD camera, 4-zone backlit keyboard. So all 4 USB-As are 3.2 Gen 1 and both USB-Cs are 3.2. None of them is Thunderbolt. This is the bottom. Here we have like model and serial, thick, big, like plastic, yeah, to put it on. This makes sense because it's gonna be a lot of heat, and if it stands up a little bit, it's easier for the heat to disperse from these vents to the side somewhere. Let's open it. Take a look. Design seems to be very similar to previous models, although I kind of like it more. So it has this curve here, this over here. That's very nice. It's a little bit conservative, but on the other side It looks like nice and premium. Silent mode, FN plus Q. This is for backlit keyboard. Very nice on touch, very premium. I would say it's a little bit similar to Dell Alienware. Power button here, which is great. Numeric buttons, we have everything here. 16-inch screen, which means it's a little bit more square. It's 16 by 10 instead of 16 by 9. Camera here. The weird part that the shutter is on the side somehow. I'm not sure how it works. I like this design more than the previous models. It's a great quality laptop with a decent quality screen, which is important. Unlike cheaper models like IdeaPad Gaming or Dell G Series, Legion Pro, these are definitely premium. It's very nice, and it's probably this and Dell Alienware would be my favorite gaming laptop lines. 13 Gen i7 is probably more than enough. 4060 is great. 32 gig of RAM. It's definitely much better than 16, and 1 terabyte is better than 512. You're pretty much set with this computer. I mean, if you want something better for gaming, the only thing I would go forward is video card, because video card is the most important thing in the gaming, and it's something that gets outdated faster than anything else, but it's still great. 4060 is great.